Today, we're going to bring an air pump. Now, this air pump was sent to us by one of our vendors, so we're going to go ahead and review it. Just to let you guys know, this air pump can do not just cars or any tires, but it could do a much more. So we're going to take a look at it and see what you can do with this. So, all right, let's take a look at the air pump itself. First of all, you got to tie this up in here, right? Because it's loose. It's not even it's hooked up when you first get it, but you guys notice they give you a bunch of extensions too for different kinds of connections, and also they give you a fuse in case you have to replace it too. They get it for needles for balls or any kind of thing, and also inflatable pipes too, corners, so you can actually inflate inflatable balloons or anything like that, or maybe floaties or something like that, or air mattresses. You can do that stuff on this one. All right, so pretty good that they give you that stuff. Now, regarding the actual system itself, there's a built-in LED light, all right, and there's built-in gauges. I'm going to show you some of the stuff. So you pump it, you turn it on, all right, and then you got to pre-program what you want to set the gauges to, right? So say you want to get 35 psi's on your actual wheel. You're gonna have to program it here, and you could go in here. Right now we're at 2.0, but you will have to put 35 there and just go from there. You got your negative and positive, and then you hit the power button and it will automatically start the pump. It's a little loud, but it does a job. That's pretty much it does. Now, same like every pump, you close it up, first close the valve to start working. Easy for that. But the great thing about it is that they give you also a charging adapter for a battery, right? So if you run out of batteries on the system, or you need extra accessory battery, you can run it off your car battery too. Type C connection, it comes with the Type C connection cable too. So the battery, you could run it from here, your car adapter, and then you could charge it up from your battery right now. And also, if you guys notice, it tells you how much bars you have in the actual battery. So that's a great thing about it, and they give you that stuff. Now, this one right here is for your LED light. You hold it down, and look at that. It turns on, all right? And you could turn it off the same button, all right? Very simple to do that. So if you're going to pump air at night and you can't see, or you have a broken a flashlight or anything else, or you don't have any light, this might be able to help you. We're going to inflate our system, so let's go ahead and turn this around. There you go, and all we got to do is turn on the button, the power on. Turn it on and hit the plus again and start inflating. All right, so we got the system here. If you guys can notice, I'm going to actually push it in here, and I'm going to program how much pressure we're going to need in here. So we're going to go into power on, all right? Power it on, and then we want to make sure we want to put it's about 39 if you guys see it, but I'm actually going to put less, 35, just to test it out. All right, go ahead and put it in here, lock it in, and you see the pressure. It's going to run at 29 right now. We'll put 32. It's 32. We're gonna go 32. We're testing out. It's 32. That's what we're gonna do. And we're at 32 exactly. So take it out, and that's how it works. You program the PSI to see how much air you're gonna push in the system itself. And if you need to come at night, flashlight on at night, lock it in place.